you have these Victorinox Swiss Army knives and you want to attach a lanyard or a puller. You want to attach a lanyard, how it's called. You can use a zipper puller for this on any of the models that have this keychain ring attachment. Like this is the mini Swiss champ, mini champ. Okay, let's start with this one. I have this bag of zipper pullers. Let's see what's inside. This is not a Victorinox original part, but there's Pepsi on this thing. I had a Pepsi experiment earlier. This is not these are not original Victorinox parts, but you don't have to use the official Victorinox lanyard. These zipper pullers actually work perfectly, and you can use them for pulling zippers also when you need to. So if you have your Swiss Army knife and you have a jacket and the zipper puller breaks on your jacket, you can remove this from your Victorinox Swiss Army knife and fix your jacket on the go. So it's very easy to install it. Just take the zipper puller as it is, run it once through the middle of the keychain ring, and look at the magic here. I bring the zipper puller out from here like so, and you have a lark head knot or a cow hitch knot or a girth knot. That's how easy it is. Now you have a lanyard. Now you can hold your Swiss Army knife like this. You can attach it to a branch between rocks. This is like a stopper. It will keep things from sliding. So I'll add it to all of these Swiss Army knives. This is my trusty angler. Whoop. Really easy, very easy. That's it for this one. Even on the small ones, this is the mini champ. It's as big as the whole pocket knife. Take it out from the other side, and it's ready. Look at it. Maybe this is the thumbnail, or like this. It's very simple but super effective. Really effective like this. And it's easy to undo it. Remove the knot like this and pull the zipper puller out. Even on this one, it's very easy. Just do it like this. Very easy, simple. So I'll keep a few for a few jackets and a few bags I need to fix. This is how you put zipper pullers on your Victorinox Swiss Army knives to act as a lanyard, but also to act as a zipper puller when you need to change your zipper pullers, like the pliers on this one. I like this one. Thanks for watching. Let me know in the comment section below if you use zipper pullers on your Victorinox Swiss Army knives as a lanyard, or if you use them on something else other than as a zipper puller for your jackets and bags. Thanks for watching.